In the heart of the Bible lies the captivating yet profound book of Ezekiel, specifically chapters 9 to 12. This segment of Ezekiel unravels a series of visions deeply ingrained with symbolism and warnings. Portraying divine judgment and the promise of restoration, chapter 9 starts with a chilling vision. 6 men are summoned by God's voice, each carrying a deadly weapon, except for one who holds a writing kit. This man, referred to as the man clothed in linen, is instructed to mark the foreheads of those who lament over the rampant sin in Jerusalem. This becomes a symbol of distinction between the righteous and the wicked, akin to a divine seal of protection. The other men are then commanded to execute judgment, sparing none but those marked, highlighting the theme of divine justice. As we move to chapter 10, Ezekiel again witnesses the majestic and mysterious cherubim. Amidst whirling wheels and an intense display of God's glory, the man clothed in linen gathers fiery coals. This signifies a cleansing judgment upon Jerusalem, revealing God's dissatisfaction and the inevitability of purification amidst sin and corruption. In chapter 11, we encounter a pivotal moment. The Spirit of God transports Ezekiel to the entrance of the temple, where corrupt leaders are plotting evil. Here God condemns these leaders, stating in verse 11:10, "You will fall by the sword." Yet, amidst judgment, hope emerges. God promises to gather the exiles, saying, "I will give them an undivided heart and put a new spirit in them. I will remove from them their heart of stone and give them a heart of flesh." This verse emphasizes renewal and the possibility of redemption for a remnant who remain faithful. Finally, in chapter 12, Ezekiel acts out a dramatic prophetic sign, packing his belongings and digging through the city walls, symbolizing the impending exile. Despite God's stern warnings, the people remain in denial, a tragic reflection of humanity's habitual resistance to change. Yet these chapters conclude with a glimmer of hope, promising restoration for those who turn back to God. Ezekiel 9 to 12 isn't merely a tale of ancient times, but a narrative that speaks to the cycle of judgment and mercy. It challenges viewers to consider the weight of their actions, the inevitability of accountability, and the relentless hope for renewal. Dive deeper into this drama of divine justice and redemption, and you might just find a piece of the eternal story that resonates with your heart.